All right, welcome back. So the last time we did cosine to the fifth of x, and I said the fact that that was an odd power made it still basically the same sort of problem we were having in substitution in general, okay? Let's look at, let's say the integral, let's say cosine to the sixth. That's an ugly integral sign. Okay, so now if we have cosine to the sixth of x, we can't do that anymore. Okay, because if we break it off, let's try. This is going to be a bad attempt. Okay, that's going to be on purpose a bad attempt, just to see what happens. We're going to try that. So we're going to get cosine to the fifth of x, cosine x dx. Now we're going to get, well, cosine to the fifth. Yeah, I guess you could say cosine is the square root of 1. I mean, we could play that game. So let's try that. 1 minus sine squared of x to the 5 halves cosine x dx. Let's try the same u equal sine of x. So du is cosine x dx. So we're going to get the integral 1 minus u squared to the 5 halves, oops, sorry, du. Ugh, I really don't know what to do with that. Okay. We'll play around with that a little bit another way, but I'm going to show you the way that now we really do this. Okay, we make use of some trigonometric identities. Okay, so the first ones that we use, I guess, is, since we're using cosine squared here, cosine squared of x is 1 minus, or 1 plus, sorry, cosine 2x divided by 2. And sine squared of x is 1 minus cosine 2x divided by 2. Okay, so these are the first trig identities that we're going to really, well, not the first ones, but these trig identities are sort of the next ones that I'm going to insist on students memorizing. Okay? So it's sort of like, I just need to know those. All right, so let's revisit this integral now. Okay, well, cosine to the sixth is cosine squared cubed. Okay, but now I have this expression for cosine squared. Let's write it over here. I shouldn't have done it cubed, but oh well, that's how the cookie crumbles. So 1/8 the integral. Now, to do cubes, you may remember this Pascal's triangle. Okay, I'm not going to really go over it. I'm just using it. That's going to be 1 plus 3 cosine 2x plus 3 cosine squared 2x. Now I'm glad I did it to the cubed. Plus cosine cubed of 2x dx. Okay, I'm not going to do all these integrals because, and the 8 is of course because of the 2 cubed. So what did I do here? I'm cubing this term. So the 2 cubed is the 1/8. 1 goes with 1. 3, and that's times cosine 2x, right? This 3 is times cosine squared of 2x. And this one is times cosine cubed of 2x. Now, you can integrate that. That's easy. You can integrate that. That's easy. Now this term, we're just going to play this game again. Cosine squared of 2x is going to be 1 plus cosine 4x divided by 2. That's easy to integrate now. Let me do one more term because that's what we got. And then cosine cubed of 2x, well, that's cosine squared of 2x, so 1 minus sine squared of 2x times cosine of 2x. Give it more space. Okay, so u here is going to be sine of 2x, okay? And your du is going to come out. So you can integrate that one as well. All right? Okay, looks like I ran out of space already. See y'all in the next video. Yes, I'm going to let you all do that.